Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Akshata, and today in this video you are going to see some really amazing painting ideas. In this video you are going to see how to draw and paint horse, and the background theme is sunrise or sunset scenery. So let's begin. So before starting we'll be making a rough sketch of horse. You have to make horse very lightly as it is a rough sketch. Now for painting the background, we need acrylic colors. Try to make your own imagination in making the background. Now, I have made some trees and I have also painted the horse. Now I have outlined the horse. Remove the masking tape after painting. So here our painting is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new and click on the bell notification for getting updated with my latest videos.